Let's learn and practice spice vocabulary with English for Life.
Black pepper. Black pepper. Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Cumin. Cumin. Turmeric. Turmeric. Paprika. Paprika. Ginger. Ginger. Garlic powder. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Onion powder. Nutmeg. Nutmeg. Cloves. Cloves. Coriander. Coriander. Mustard seeds. Mustard seeds. Chili powder. Chili powder. Cardamom. Cardamom. Fenugreek. Fenugreek. Saffron. Saffron. Star anise. Star anise. Sumac. Sumac. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds. Curry leaves. Curry leaves. Caraway seeds. Caraway seeds. Nigella seeds. Nigella seeds. Tarragon. Tarragon. Mace. Mace. Dillweed. Dillweed. Oregano. Oregano. Rosemary. Rosemary. Sage. Sage. Thyme. Thyme. Parsley. Parsley. Basil. Basil. Szechuan peppercorns. Vanilla beans. Vanilla beans. Peppermint. Peppermint. Lavender. Lavender. Licorice root. Licorice root.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next video.